Benefits of a waterline replacement. If you're like most Lafayette, California homeowners, you probably haven't thought a lot about waterline replacement. However, replacing your waterline could benefit your East Bay area home in some surprising ways. Let's take a look. Do you have to choose between taking a shower or running the dishwasher? This is a common issue and often can be fixed when you replace your water lines. Better and more powerful water flow is just one of the benefits you'll get with a new line. If you own an older home, you may have concerns about lead or other harmful metals leaching into your water. Luckily, waterline replacement services offer a solution. With safer alternatives available, there's no need to risk your health or the health of your loved ones. Has your waterline been repaired time and again? Each repair is money out of your pocket, but with a replacement, you can eliminate costly service visits and take control of your monthly budget. If you need waterline replacement in Lafayette, California, Avalon is only a phone call away. Call us today at 510-399-8744 to discuss your options.